farm vibes. You understand, people? Roots and culture, the cocoa.
Yeah, I know how to cook, yeah, but I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo Vision. I've seen him on television, looking like he's on a mission. Got a perfect Sunday dinner and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was in the licking. The food was falling off the bowl and ready for the picking. Ringo on the vision with 24-hour kitchen.
Wagwan people, you know what time it is. We're there. We're outside one more time doing the amazing thing that you love. Yeah, man, a 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Guess what, people? Have you ordered your seasoning yet? Make sure you order your seasoning quick and fast, because we're there. We're outside. Come and have a look. So today, people, yeah, is a quick thing. Yeah, man, it's a fish tea that we're going to be dealing with today, people, yeah. Yeah, man, and our ingredients on the menu: some white yam, some sweet potato, some cocoa, some pumpkin, some green banana, and some thyme. And yeah, man, a portable barbecue tray and a pot of hot water. Alright, and look again, we're using spring water, people, yeah? A good vibe. Yes, people, this knife is very sharp, so you have to know how you're using the utensils them. So you see the pumpkin there? Remember I said the pumpkin is going to give me the color that I'm looking for, that redness, that nice red color, also that sweetness that I'm looking for as well, people, yeah. We're looking for that through our pumpkin to finalize the flavor and color that we're looking for as well, people, yeah. And to actually start off, because the pumpkin, as you see it here, you actually want it to just boil out into nothing, just into the water. So the pumpkin is going to be the first thing that I'm adding to the water today, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe, 24-hour kitchen. Yes, look at this, look at this. As you can see, look, our pot's bubbling up, so I've added my thyme in, the pumpkin's boiling, good vibes. So what I'm going to start to do now, yeah, look what I'm using today. So I've got my pumpkin soup mix and I've got my fish soup mix here, and they're both Grace products, so big up Grace. We're using a Grace product today, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. It's a simple procedure today, people, yeah. I'm using fish, it's already been seasoned up and everything. You know, say, yeah, the Ringo Vision 24-hour seasoning mix, make sure you get it, because we are use it all the time, 24 hours, and the thing don't stop, people, yeah. It's a continuous thing, because we've got a next ingredient, you know, that is good. Do you see the sweet potato? It's good for also your stomach as well, you know, and if you're a smoker as well and someone that smokes often, yeah, man, check out the sweet potato. This one's good for you. Alright. And then we've also got a next hard food straight out of Jamaica as well, the cocoa. Know about the cocoa, know what the cocoa is good for. Yes, it's one of them starchy ones as well, fiber as well. And guess what it does? It carries and impacts a lot of energy to your body. And yeah, man, if you're a sports person, also for the hard-working people, them that longevity, hard day at work, want something to fuel your body, the yam. Yeah, man, this here yam, yeah. This is the Puna yam, so it's the African white yam. So, no say it's a different, so you're having a mixture of blends going on today. We've got the Caribbean mix, and we've also got the Grand Provision that's coming straight from Africa as well, people, yeah. So yeah, man, we're carrying the flavors, and it's a bad boy thing, people. Don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe. I really do need every one of you that's watching right now to subscribe share the live right now, share the video that we're in right now, share up the link, people. Yeah, man, our good vibes. And remember, we're in season 4, shackling on, and we're coming to the end of season 4, people, and we're gonna dive right into season 5. So season 5 is impact with Woyoy. Alright, so the cocoa, look. The cocoa carries a beautiful colour as well. When you peel it and you check the colours on it, the purple, the mauve type of purple, and the white, yeah man, and the cocoa gives like a creamy. I brought it down to Bushcraft down when we done catch and cook. It wasn't really too feeling the cocoa. I can't remember if it was too feeling the cocoa, but anybody that's had any hard food, Caribbean, African, any other native country hard food, where are you from in the road, and what hard food do you use as a ingredient that's grown in your country? Farmland, farm vibes. You understand, people? Roots and culture, the cocoa. Know about this one, a good vibes. So my fish is already seasoned up and I'm ready, and I'm gonna add my fish in right now and just make it go and boil out from early. You understand, people? Yeah man, simple things. Make the fish go and boil out. Punkin, as you can go in a bit, you can see that the punkin's softening. You can see that from how it's looking straight away. A good vibe. Yeah. Cut up the cocoa, nice and smooth in small pieces. Cause you know what I'm saying, it's also a sip as well. And as you can see, how the reaction of what the cocoa does, so you have to know, say, it white up your hand, make your hand look very, very chalky and whatnot. That's the creaminess from the cocoa. You might like it, you might not like it. It might be one that you say, yes, I'm getting this one, I'm always gonna have cocoa. Or it might be one that it's not for you, but try it out. Nothing beats a try, yeah? Natural ground food from out of the ground, people, yeah? Come. So look at this, there's no oil that's been added to this, but as soon as I've added the oil, as soon as I've added the fish into the water, you can see the oil that's come naturally off of the fish, everybody. So you know that fish produces its own oil. Do you understand? So a good vibe. That's why they say omega-3. When they talk about omega-3 and the powers of the omega-3 is the fish oil and the oil that's coming from the fish. So a good vibe. So look at this, everyone. So this simple process now, you just mash out the pumpkin. Cut the pumpkin. So that's why when I cut up the pumpkin, yeah, I don't cut it up like in small pieces. I cut it up in chunks so that it's easier when it's time to mash it out in the pot. And you can cook pumpkin where it doesn't mash up, but in this circumstance we're using it as the base. So come in and have a look now. So this is it. Our soup now is just forming. It's gonna boil out now, and our vibes. Yeah, good vibes. So sweet potato again, yeah, is the next one that produces a natural milky substance. So that milky substance like sticky like glue. So if you don't careful when you're peeling this, your hand's gonna be all sticky afterwards. that's what sweet potato does to you people. So you have to know, so when you peel it, that's how you know that the food is proper good, because look at all that milk that comes out of it when you peel it. Pot's bubbling up. I like that. So all I'm gonna do right now is just add in my Grace Fish Tea. These are good vibes. Yeah man, good vibes. So what I'm doing right now, you just see me peeled the green banana. Now I'm just cutting it in nice little round circles as if you was gonna fry little banana chips. You understand people? Yeah man, good vibes. Yeah, you can turn it off now. Alright everyone, so we're in our final stages right now. So I'm just gonna check in. Look at the texture of the yam, nice and soft. We just put some ripe plantain in there as well. It's boiling up. Spin everything around so that you can have a look. Look at the fish there as well. Good vibe. So what I'm gonna do is just take out the middle, which is the bone of the fish. Huh? Left it in there a little bit. Yeah, alright, so I left. Yeah, because I actually add flavour. So, yeah man, look, even the banana them, you can see, say the banana them cook up already. Everything, this is more or less finished everybody. So, you know, say, yeah man, it's a 5-10 minutes. You know, say it's a fish tea people. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we're there, completion. Yes everyone, so as we've come to the completion, yeah man, it's a nice vibe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a little simple little servings so that you can see what I've won right now. So yeah, so yam, a bit of plantain. I can't fit everything in there right now people, I have to come back for seconds, but as you can see, got a bit of fish in there, a bit of juice. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we're outside. This one was an amazing one. If you like what you see people, if you like what you've been watching everyone, don't forget to share up the video, comment, Yeah man, it's a good vibes and I'll see you again next time. It was a fish tea today people, yeah. You see how simple it was? On a portable barbecue tray people, yeah. Yeah man, have a look. Yeah. That was the cocoa, yeah. Let me try it. A bit of the yam. Bit of the fish.
The Bluetooth
Amazing.
device is ready to pair.
Just look at this.
The Bluetooth device is
This is
connected successfully.
the plantain, right? Plantain. Everyone, see you later.